caliber of graduates these days is phenomenal. They set the bar quite high, and does mean if you get into the scheme, you just tend to find really bright, really committed, really engaged graduates who make a real difference to the business.
My background was in physics, so I started out doing tritium modelling tritium moving through different materials. But I was also alongside that working on a tritium glove box build, and so suddenly learning all about how to build a tritium compatible glove box, all of the engineering processes that come along with that. It was such a learning curve immediately. I was really wanting to develop like hard technical skills, which I have done in so many different projects, but the soft skills of being a presenter, being a rep, talking to members about issues as well as how we can make things better. So many other soft skills came along that I didn't even know existed.
I've been really exposed to different ways of working. So because of my sort of projects, I've been doing a lot of work with external people. So in France, I did a secondment for 4 months where I worked closely with ESA, and as a huge organization, we work a lot with external people, and that's a really important part to come to Fusion by ourselves.
I never thought I'd have to do something related to ethics. But once I grew in my role, I realized ethics was very crucial to my role. Because I'm an electrical engineer, if something's to go wrong with my design, I need to own up for it. I need to be sure that the design I'm making is going to be safe enough for whoever is going to operate it. So yeah, the grad scheme gave me the opportunity to do something with regards to ethics in engineering.
I studied mechanical engineering at university, but there was an opportunity to come here and shift my focus towards robotics, explaining to people just what we can do with robotics, and seeing it's from another world. People don't hear and see robots in their day-to-day life, so explaining what I do and how that impacts what we do here is really cool.
Because fusion is an enormous problem, billions of pounds are going to be spent. Guess what? Most of that is going to be spent on people. So we need people. We need some very, very smart people to actually solve some very tricky problems. The breadth of stuff that's going on is enormous, and that just shows the complexity of the world that we're creating. Fusion power plant is going to take 10, 15, 20 years, and therefore you have to have a strategy for managing the transfer of know-how from one generation to the next generation. And you've got to start that from right at the beginning. So get into schools, get people interested in maths and physics, then get them interested in fusion at university, then get them into grad program, then get all the way through. It's just a whole darn pipeline. You've got to work on each step so that they become super brilliant, and then they can solve the problems, and then we can say, "Oh, fusion."